So we are going to start by making our slip knot. And for our foundation chain, it is a multiple of 6 plus 3. So go ahead and make your foundation chain multiples of 6 and add 3 at the end. So you can make it more. You can make it more longer depending on your project. So I have made my foundation chain of multiples of 6, and at the end I'm going to add 3 more chains. For our first row, we're going to make use of the third chain from our hook, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to make 2 double crochets on that third chain. So we have 3 double crochets in here, including our turning chain. Chain 4. We're going to skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And on the next chain, we're going to make 5 double crochets. Again, chain 4, skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and on the next one, make 5 double crochets. So this will be the pattern for our first row. We're going to chain 4, we're going to skip 5 chains, and on the next chain make 5 double crochets. So you're going to repeat that one until we reach our last chain. So I have made my 4 chains, and we're going to skip 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the last chain we're going to make 3 double crochets. This is to mirror our first, our starting 3 double crochets. So this will be our first row. For our next row, chain 2, our chain 2 will be counted as our first double crochet. Turn your work. We are going to skip these 2 double crochets, and on our chain 4 space, we're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets. We're going to skip our 5 double crochets, and on the next chain 4 space, we're going to repeat 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and another group of 3 double crochets. So this will be our repeat for our second row. So to end our second row, we're going to skip the 2 double crochets here, and on our turning chain, we're going to make 1 double crochet. The chain 3 that we skipped, That is our turning chain. Make 1 double crochet. So now we have done our first and our second row. For our third row, we're going to make a chain of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our chain 6 will be a double treble and a chain of 1. Turn your work. We're going to skip the next 3 double crochets, and on the chain 3 space that we have here, make 5 double crochets. Chain 4, and on the chain 3, make 5 double crochets. So you're just going to repeat chain 4 and work 5 double crochets on the chain 3 space. To end our third row, we're going to make a chain of 1, and on our turning chain, remember we made a chain of 2, counted as our double crochet. We're going to make 1 double treble, yarning over twice, and insert your hook on the second chain of the chain 2 that we made, and do our double treble crochet. So this is how it looks like after finishing our third row. For row 4, chain 5. Our chain 5 will be counted as our treble crochet and a chain of 1. On the next space, on the chain 4 space, we're going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet again. Again, we're going to skip our 5 double crochet of the previous round, and we're going to repeat the 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets in all of our chain 4 spaces. And I'll come back to you later on before we finish our fourth row. So to end our fourth row, on the next, remember that this is the chain 6. So we're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and make a treble crochet, yarning over twice, and insert your hook on the next chain. So we have finished this row. Similar to our second row will be similar to the next row. Our second row is similar to the fourth row that we just made. So now we're going to make the 5 double crochet again in every chain 3 space that we make. So chain 2 Our chain 2 will be counted as first double crochet. If you're not comfortable or you think that it is too short for you, then you can make a chain of 3 to start. Turn your work and we have our chain 1 space here. We're going to make 2 double crochets. Chain 4, 5 double crochet on the chain 3 space, chain 4, chain 4 again, and have your next 5 double crochet. So you can hear the train is keeping up with me, no? Chain 4 and 5 double crochet. To end this row, chain 4, and where we begin we have 3 double crochets. So we're going to make 3 double crochets here, skipping the 3 double crochets and 1 chain. So on the next chain we're going to make 3 double crochets. This is called the acrobatic stitch.